Everybody, welcome back to you. In this video I'm gonna continue the kitchen, and today it is the fourth episode of the kitchen. Today let's get started by number one, plates. Okay, we have plate, as you can see in the picture. This is kind of plate, it's a flat one, okay, and when it's a little deeper, okay, we call it dish. As you can see also, okay. And when we feel like drinking soup or any liquid, okay, we add it in, something called bowl, okay? Bowl, it's much deeper one, okay? Also, there is another one when we drink coffee, or maybe when we have a small cup like this, there is a small plate also, but actually this plate is not called a plate, it's called saucer, as you can see from the picture, okay? So this is all about plates and dishes and saucers, but how can we keep them in the kitchen? Actually, after cleaning them or after washing them, we need to dry them. Some people, hang them on something called dish rack, as you can see from the picture, okay? This is called dish rack. After that, when we talk about some tools in the kitchen, we have very basic tools, like what? Like, for example, grater. We use it to grate, something like onion, or maybe looks like tomatoes, whatever it might be. So this is called grater, okay? We also have something like mincer. This mincer, of course, this is an old style, as you can see from the picture, and the newest style, it's with electricity, it's electrical one, and some people use something else called food processor, as we will see later in this video. So grater, after that mincer. We also have something called peeler when we feel like peeling, the skin of the vegetable, like tomatoes, for example, or maybe potatoes, especially potatoes, to be honest, okay? We use peeler to peel it, okay? After that, we have whisk. Whisk, when we feel like, stirring things together or maybe mixing things together, we use a whisk. But this is, as you can see from the picture, it's called whisk. But there is another special one, for eggs. It's called egg beater. Okay, as you can see also in the picture. After that, let's talk about electronics at the kitchen. For example, we have something called the blender. If you feel like making some juice, you use blender, okay? And if you're going to mix things together, so we use mixer, as you see. Also, the modern style of the mincer is called the food processor. As you see from the picture, this is called the food processor. Okay, when we mix many things together, we call it food processor. If you feel like grind some, some grains like cumin, like black pepper, for example, you need this food processor to help you. After that, we have the kettle. Okay, if you feel like boiling some water to make something hot, you use a kettle, okay? And this kettle, this is American word, by the way, but the British word is boiler. We call it boiler in British, not kettle. Finally, other things in the kitchen like apron, okay? If you feel like, keeping your clothes while you're cooking or while you're doing anything in the kitchen, you have to wear an apron. This apron will help you protect your clothes from, from the dirt, from, some splash of liquids or maybe something like that. Also, we have oven gloves if you feel like, taking the roasting pan out from the oven, so you need oven gloves that will help you, of course. Finally, this is something called boot holder. Boot holder is a very small thing that you use it if you feel like carrying the pot out of the fire, so it's very hot, so how can you protect your hand if you're not wearing gloves? So boot holder will help you in that. That's all about kitchen, and thank you very much for watching this video, and wait for me in the near future for more videos about English on the go, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.